All right, hundreds and hundreds of SKUs of flakes, metallics, flagstone, quartz, base colors, you name it, all in one location from all sorts of different suppliers. Guys, my name is Yusuf. I'm one of the co-founders of Flory.io, and I'm wanting to show you just how easy it is to set up your visualizer account for success with a bunch of different flakes, metallics, already baked into our backend portal. So what you're looking at here is our administrative portal. Once you log in, once you sign up with us, our customer success team will basically help you make sure you can configure your account to the exact specifications that you want to basically make sure that all the products that you offer are already in the app, already here in your visualizer. And if you are missing some products that you do want to show, let's say you do some cool custom stuff, custom flagstones, stamped concrete, anything like that. Maybe there's some flakes that we are missing, some metallics that we are missing. You can always request that we add these to the visualizer for you by sending us some reference images of the flakes, of the metallics, of whatever floor it is. And from there, we can go and crop those and crop that floor and that into the visualizer for you. So basically, my whole point is, hey, look, in just a few minutes, you can go grab all the different popular products from Torganol, Resin Works, Chips Unlimited, literally anybody in the game here. Quickly add those to your account by going in here and hitting select. You can then copy all of those into your own white labeled folders. So I'm going to actually go here, for example, let's just say, yusuffloors.com, right? I'm going to just I'm going to put a preview picture here. Why not? So this is how basically I make my own white labeled folder here. So I'm just going to grab a random photo here. But what our backend system allows you to do is to take all these popular suppliers' images, put them into your own white labeled folder, and then delete those prior, these remaining reference account suppliers. So you don't have to show people the Pentec logo, the Torganol logo, the Resinworks logo. You absolutely don't if you don't want to show them that, right? So you can just basically go in here and clone your images from the other account, from your other reference accounts into this main folder here. And basically it'll populate with all those products in just a few minutes here. So that's basically how this works. Then you're left with just one folder, shows your branding. You can then go ahead and delete, all the other accounts here that are irrelevant for you. So guys, I mean, this system allows you to get started in literally 15 to 20 minutes with all of your, all your different flakes and metallic options. If you have extras that are not captured in here that you want to be able to show off, it's very simple. Just request those with our CS team. They will help you get those all set up in there. Guys, that is how easy it is to get set up. That's our backend portal explained. Shows you all the different suppliers that we work with. We've got a bunch of metallics colors, Chips Unlimited, Resin Works, Torganol, the colors from Valence, protective coatings as well. Guys, we got everything. So if you're ready to take it to the next step, give us a call or book a time on our calendar. We'll be happy to help you guys get set up. Yusuf, out. Cheers.